Hello, Mr. Black, Mr. Lewis, and members of the board. My name is Bill McCann, and I am proud to be the project manager for the Advanced Practice Provider Clinic project. As you know, this project is designed to not only launch your first standalone APP clinic, but to serve as a model for clinics in the future. As with any project, the success of this project relies on the people involved, the stakeholders. That includes all of you here today, as well as others within the company, including the shareholders, executive team, functional managers, my project team, as well as the new clinic APP and staff. There are also important external stakeholders, including the general contractor, our vendors, and managed care companies. And finally, and most importantly, there's the community we seek to serve, referring providers, patients, and their families. To meet the goals and needs of all stakeholders, I have assembled a team of experts with varying strengths, expertise, and experiences to get the job done. I'd like to introduce you to our team: Ben, who is our facilities expert; Carla, our IT wizard; Dan, who heads up credentialing and training; and Elsa, who heads up our marketing. As we dove into the details of the project plan, the team drew upon personal experience and expertise to flesh out a very detailed work plan. Additionally, we consulted with members throughout the organization to provide input on task lists, as well as relationships and dependencies. In a similar fashion, the team relied upon internal and institutional knowledge to assign reasonable timelines and resource allocation for every task. Finally, we plan to leverage team cohesion and cross-training to ensure a leveling of the workload, to ensure that all important tasks are done on time and on budget. This analysis really permitted us to structure the overall schedule of the work components to ensure an on-time completion of the project. Given the varied talents of the team, tasks and projects within a project are assigned to team members with the most experience. For any complex project to be successful, communication is key. In meeting with stakeholders throughout the organization, we have structured a communications plan that ensures that all stakeholders receive timely and pertinent information on the project's progress. In addition, we will implement a number of communication modalities and have established thresholds for key project metrics that merit elevation of issues to appropriate stakeholders and decision makers. We want to make sure that everybody knows how we're proceeding, and if there's an issue, how we can work together to solve it and get the job done. As with any project, this project has challenges. Two crucial challenges for this project are its dependency on two external stakeholders, managed care companies and a contractor. And while we have some control with the general contractor to ensure that the upfits are done on budget and on time, dealing with managed care companies is more complicated and difficult. At the end of the day, the entire timeline is dependent upon the managed care organizations. To meet this timeline, rapid site selection and employment of the provider is crucial. This will require very careful task prioritization, human resource allocation, and clear and frequent communication among stakeholders. From a procedural standpoint, this project also entailed the adoption of a new technology platform, Microsoft Project, to plan and manage it. As with any new technology, there's an inherent learning curve. As project manager, I focused on understanding how project can assist in mapping out the project schedule and allocation of my team's time. Project helped show the critical pathway of the project and highlighted how we can reprioritize and move task sequence to ensure on-time clinic opening at the end of the year. As we prepare to embark on this vital project, our focus will be on 4 key success factors. Number 1, teamwork, working together as an organization as a team. Secondly, having a clear vision of our goal and ends. Thirdly, utilizing all resources wisely and efficiently. And finally, planning for all contingencies, known and unknown, to deliver on the APP Clinic's value proposition. Thank you for your time, and I welcome your questions.